Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. I want to walk you guys through how I made $100,000 in 30 days. Now, if you've been following the news, checking online, keeping up with the stock market, you'll know it's been going crazy lately. And I think one of the reasons the stock market is doing so well is optimism. Optimism that the vaccines are going to help put an end to the pandemic. With pandemic cases going down, there's a lot of optimism out there in the investment world, especially in the stock market. A lot of the recovery stocks have seen a tremendous influx of investment because of that optimism created by the vaccines and the decrease in pandemic cases. And my portfolio has seen quite an increase, like I said, to the tune of over $100,000 in 30 days. Now, what I want to do today is I'm going to walk you through my 5 main investments in the stock market. And the reason I tell you guys this is because I believe time in the market is more important than timing the market. I oftentimes get comments from you guys, hey, when is the right time to invest in the stock market? Well, the right time to invest in the stock market, in my opinion, is right now. You know, you invest in the stock market consistently over time, and that's how you build wealth. That's how I built my wealth over the last 20 years. So let me run you guys through these 5 investments, and then I'm going to give you guys my opinion on what will continue to happen with the stock market. My number 1 investment, guys, is Vanguard Information Technology, VGT. I have my biggest position in that particular investment. And the reason is I believe technology is the future. And instead of me trying to take my money and invest in 1 or 2 technology companies, I've chosen to go with an ETF from Vanguard, which has a group of the top tech companies in America. So I'm diversified and not concentrated. Also, since January 2021, that particular per share price of VGT has increased by $20 a share, guys. And January 1, I believe January 4th, it was trading at about $3.55. As of close of business yesterday, it was trading at $3.76. This is what I'm telling you guys. This is the power of taking some money, putting it in an investment, and continuing to make investments into that particular investment for the long term. And that's what I've decided to do, guys, and it's worked out very well in VGT. So it's doing extremely well, and I'm happy with it. My second investment is Vanguard S&P 500 VOOG. Now, guys, I'm a big S&P 500 guy. And in this particular investment, it's concentrated in growth companies, right? And I believe, again, growth is where I would like to be, because I'm not going to use this money for my retirement for another 10 years. So my goal is to grow it as much as I can in the best blue chip companies in America. So that's what I've decided to do. And it has worked out extremely well. VOOG, again, since January, has really gained momentum and has done extremely well for my portfolio. So that's my second investment of the 5. Number 3 is going to be Vanguard Total Stock Market VTSAX. Now, the reason I like this one, guys, is because I want to be in the broader stock market. Now, the S&P 500 is awesome, but I want to be in more than just the top 500 companies in America. And that's why I decided to go with the total stock market index fund. It gives me about 3,000 to 3,400 companies, and it has proven to be a very successful strategy for me. Back in January of 2021, VTSAX was trading at about, I want to say about $93 per share. And as of yesterday, it was trading at $100 per share. So a really nice $7 per share increase over the last 45 days or so. So I think that, guys, in and of itself is one of the reasons why I like VTSAX. And again, it puts me in the broader stock market, and it gives me exposure to small cap, mid cap, and large cap equities. Now let's move on to the fourth investment. Now this is an individual stock, and that individual stock is Bank of America. Now I've invested in Bank of America, guys, for many years, and it's been a great dividend paying stock for me, and it has performed well. It's given me exposure to financial services companies that I believe are necessary to the financial stability of our country. See, Bank of America is the second largest financial institution in America. And it's my belief that it's too big to fail. So I feel comfortable putting my money in Bank of America. Like I said, it pays a good dividend, and it's been a good performer for me, guys, for many years. And Bank of America in January 2021 was trading at about $30 a share. And as of close yesterday, it was trading at about little under $35 a share. So again, another $5 increase in the share price, which for me, fantastic, right? And then my fifth investment is another individual stock, and that is Wells Fargo. And again, Wells Fargo has been a long-time favorite of mine. Again, it's a financial services company, fourth largest bank in the United States. And I believe something catastrophic would need to happen if Bank of America and Wells Fargo were not to exist. Again, I believe they're a part of our financial services structure in this country. And without those two banks, I'm not sure if our financial system would hold up. So again, too big to fail. Wells Fargo in January of 2021 was trading at about $30 a share. And as of close yesterday, it was trading at a hair under $37 per share. So guys, as you can see, when you combine those five investments with the type of return they've gotten over the last 30 to 45 days, it's understandable that I would make $100,000 in 30 days on that portfolio. And the whole purpose of me telling you this is that you need to be in the market. You need to be invested, and you need to be invested every single day. Not sitting on the sideline trying to determine when is the best time to jump in, when is the best time to jump out. That's not the strategy. You know, the strategy is pick some investments that you like, that line up with your investment objectives. And then you decide on a dollar amount you want to put in every single month. And that's what you do, guys. Now, if you need to pivot and change something, that's okay. The key is you're in the market, not trying to time the market. That's what I've done for the last 20 years, guys. I'm no stock market expert. What I did is I just found me 5 investments that I like, that are great performers from a historical perspective, and I put my money in them, and I keep putting my money in them. A lot of people say, well, what if the stock market crashes? What are you going to do then? I'm going to take my cash reserves and I'm going to buy more, because that's the time where you really get a significant increase in your net worth, when you buy the dips. You know, I don't want, a catastrophic event to happen that would cause our stock market to go down. But let's be honest, over the years, those type of events happen. Remember March 2020, when the pandemic hit, stock market fell by 30%. But guess what? In 57 days, it was at all-time highs again. So if you would have bought that dip and just rode it out, man, you'd have had a real handsome return right now, right? So back to what I said though, time in the market is more important than time in the market. Well, guys, I hope me sharing my experiences in my portfolio over the last 30 days was helpful, drop me some comments and let me know what your portfolio has done over the last 30 to 60 days. I'm curious to know how you guys are performing. Also, guys, if you're interested in getting 2 free stocks, Webull is giving you 2 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account and deposit at least $100 in that account. Guys, those are free stocks. Then you can take that $100 and start investing in ETFs or individual stocks. There's a link down in the description box of the video. Click on that link, open your Webull account, put $100 in it today and get your 2 free stocks. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, share the video, smash that like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.